If tomorrow never comes around, let me fade into this sound. No beginning.